In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Dropbox accounts on your desktop, whether you're using Windows or a Mac. Switching accounts can be handy when managing different projects or when you need to separate personal and professional files. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to make sure you have the Dropbox desktop app installed on your computer or device and ensure it's already linked. If you haven't done this yet, go ahead and get that set up before we move forward. Assuming you're all set with the installation, the next step involves logging into your current Dropbox account. If you haven't logged in already, you'll find your avatar or your initials at the top right corner of the Dropbox interface. Click on that icon to access a drop-down menu. Here, you should see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings, and then select Security from the options presented. Now, within the Security section, scroll down until you locate the Devices section. This is typically found towards the bottom of the list. As you look through, you'll see a detailed list showing your device name, its location, and recent activity. What you're looking for here is a little trash bin icon next to your device name. Go ahead and click that icon. Once you click the trash bin, a pop-up message will appear asking you to confirm your action. It's just double-checking to make sure you indeed want to unlink your device. Click Unlink to proceed. By doing this, you're essentially signing out of the current Dropbox account on your device. After successfully unlinking the device, you'll notice a prompt asking you to sign in with a different Dropbox account. Now's the time to enter the credentials of your new account. That means typing in your new email address and password. Make sure this is the account you want your device to be linked with. Following the sign-in, you'll need to choose the folder location for Dropbox. You have two options here. You can keep the same folder that was used with the previous account, or you can choose a completely new location for your files. Make sure to select the option that best suits the way you organize your files. Once you confirm your folder selection, the new account setup will complete the final syncing process. Spend a moment checking to ensure that everything is properly synced and that your desktop is now fully connected to the new Dropbox account. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly switch between Dropbox accounts on your desktop without any hassle. I hope you found this guide helpful and that switching accounts helps streamline your work and organization. Thanks for watching.